Welcome to Modular Hippo, the channel where I'm trying to build a 36-foot aluminium sailboat in my backyard. In this snapshot episode, I am 3D printing my bow rollers. So there is one for the rope and there's one for a 10mm calibrated chain. So let's see how that works out. Minutes left of the print and it looks like it's going to be a success. It's the longest print I've ever done. It's taken 24 hours. So very interesting. This is printed as a very solid lump. So yeah, see how it goes. This is the basic of the two, the one with the least intricate shapes. So I could print this on without support, which was good. It's a solid lump and it looks fantastic, to be honest. It'll be interesting to see the difference in weight between this one and the one that's been lathered in Delrin. That looks awesome. Once mounted on the boat, it will look like something like this. So this is the rope one, and I will now print the one for the 10mm calibrated chain that would go here. So yeah. This more complex of the two wheels have supports, so it's taking 30 hours instead of 24 that the simpler wheel took. So this should be ready around 11 o'clock this evening. Looking good so far. So I'm just going to take the support off and hopefully we have something useful. With the support removed, we have a bow roller for a 10mm calibrated chain. I'm really happy with this because it looks exactly as it needs to. So I would say success. Mounted to the steel rod, it will look something like this later on when it's actually mounted to the construction. I'll just have to drill a little hole there for a clevis pin and a little hole there for clevis pin as well. And I guess I might put some stainless spacers here and here just to make sure that these are centered and stays exactly in the position that they need to be in. So thinking about it, there'd probably be a plastic spacer and then a steel spacer, just so there's no contact with the inside of the aluminium. So it'll be interesting to compare the cost of manufacturing these against the lading version that I'm doing as well. And I'll probably be using the laded version and keep these two as spares. As always, thank you for watching. If you have any questions about these bow rollers or the 3D printing that you've seen in this episode, then please stick them in the comments and I will assist as soon as I can. If you want to see more of this boat build, then please feel free to subscribe. There is a playlist for the motor build that I'm working on in parallel, as well as the components that I will be using on the boat. So I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.